These are going to be the measurements for the latch for my cabinets. You have to take measurements on you according to your cabinets. This is going to be the length. This is going to be where the bend, and this is where it's going to latch on to the back of the cabinet. And then I will drill a hole right here. I kind of scorched it here with the tin snips, and that's where it's going to break off at. Okay, as you can see, there's the measurements. I just got to bend in these two places and then put them on the cabinet. Alright, finished bending this. I'm going to replace the screws on the cabinets with these longer screws, 1.5 inches. The ones they have on there, I think it's 1.25 inches. But this is the finished product, and I'm going to install it and show you how it works. I installed this latch already. If you notice, I put a nut here to hold it with the screw, and then a washer, and on the back side the same thing, a washer, a nut, and held that on there. I originally had put these latches on there, but I didn't trust it because it doesn't keep it shut all the way. You can still, baby can still reach in there and grab something. So that's why I made these latches, and that should latch on, turn, latch. That's a little bit tighter. Open it. I think that works a little bit better than these. I mean, this is good for, just in case this fails, but as you see, it works pretty good. It's a little tighter. Doesn't open that much. But it does lock behind it. If you notice, they'll lock behind the board. No problem. Alright. Push the like button if you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.